I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We have a girls' basketball announcement. Open gym for girls every Wednesday from 6 to 8 p.m. The program meeting will be in the lecture hall on Thursday, August 24th from 2:15 to 2:35 p.m.
Our Welcome Back Spirit Week kicks off on Monday. We're wearing red on Monday, blue on Tuesday, pink on Wednesday, green on Thursday, and a purple out on Friday. We will also have an assembly on Friday to kick off our year. Go Rattlers!